Hey guys, we have a shipment here from Windone. Let's see what's in here. Thanks guys. This is the Windone S14 electric bike. See the little screwdriver that fell? It might be, no, there's like a little, oh, there's something that fell out. Look how little it is. That's perfect. It's a smaller frame e-bike and it's lighter. It's like, I think 47 pounds as opposed to 63 with the battery. So it is catering to like shorter people, maybe older people who want to ride, people with certain disabilities who can't go as fast or who can't get on a regular bike. So once we put this together, it'll be easier to see the size. We have the handlebars here, and here's one of the lights, the headlight. Ethan's going to cut these ties loose, and then it has a seat there that fits the size of the bike, and it looks pretty padded. It's just a few snips to get these zip ties and styrofoam off. It's there to protect all of the frame. So they pack it really nice and tight in there. And then the battery is wrapped up in this plastic. So it's padded pretty well too. The way that it's folded now is how it's going to fold up when we need to store it. And that is a really nice size. Look how easy that's going to be to store. Look at the size of it compared to you. It's tiny. I know it. It's great. It has a neat, bright logo here. Windone. Has the little tires. Small tires to go with the small frame. It's got a headlight here and the tail light here. All right, next step. What'd you do there?
Okay, I put this, the bike together, and then I have to put this locking mechanism, the latch up to hold it together, so it goes between this little piece of metal, and it comes up like that right there.
All right.
And that part's done.
Next is the handlebars. So we're getting the plastic off of it, which has so far been the hardest part.
Let's see.
I think you have to put them in before it. So in order to get the handlebars in, you have to put it in with this bent. That way the cords don't stretch or tear out. You can adjust the handlebars. The pedals, they're in the little pouch. I'm going to lock that into place and get the battery. I've charged up the battery. I wanted to touch on one other point with the battery. I'm not sure how heavy this is, but I can lift it with one hand simply. It's pretty light. The keys are attached to the battery. Okay, fold the seat forward, and we'll slide the battery in. Here you go. We charged it up fully. You have to
undo that.
You have to open the seat before you can slide the battery in because the lever's in the way. Click down. Here's the magic moment. Just turn this on with this button. There's the little horn and the lights. Ready, set, go. Ethan's gonna ride it. I just took it around for a spin. Start out here in the grass. It rides great in the grass and the lights work. It's smooth, huh? There's the light shining at us.
It has throttle and pedal assist, and they work just great.
Front light's working, and we'll see the back. And the brakes work okay?
Yes, they do.
See how quiet it is?
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is. It's super smooth, isn't it? Slyn wanted to try it out, so she's gonna hop on.
Always wear your helmet.
The boys are having fun. Show offs.
It rides smoother than a regular bike.
Definitely. You can see it rides really nicely in the grass and on the pavement. And the boys ran out of gas on the Jeep, so they're gonna have to put that up. Hi, Banjo. Did you want to try? Not you. You. Did you want to try?
He's modeling. Oh, no, thank you.
Okay. That's fun.
It is fun. I really do like it.
Easier than the regular pedal bikes, isn't it?
Definitely. And lighter.
How does it ride on the gravel? How does it ride on the gravel?
Oh, really well.
Good. And did you try just the regular pedal assist?
I did, and I really do.
See that the grass in it?
Oh.
Might just want to wipe that out. Okay, can you start with the pedal, or do you have to throttle first?
I can start.
Okay.